Hello everyone, welcome back to this new video tutorial. Today's topic is how to create a Gantt chart in Microsoft Excel. The Gantt chart in Excel is used for illustrating the project process flow and timeline. Here I have created a sample data project that has the task name, their starting date, ending date and days required. First of all, create the days required by using this formula. Press equal to, click on the ending date minus the starting date plus 1. This is the days required. Use the fill handle to drag this down. After calculating days required, select this start date range, then click on insert, then go to this insert column or bar chart option, go to the 2D bar option and here select this stacked bar. Reposition the chart, then increase the size of it. Now click on this series, right click, then click on select data. Click on the add button. Here in the series name, click on this days required column header. And here in the series value, remove the previous value, then select the days required range. Click on OK. Again click on the add button. In the series name, click on end date. And in the series values, remove the default value, then select the end date range, then click on OK. Again click on OK. If the data series is not visible, you can simply increase the size of the chart, then the series gets visible here. Now from this data, identify the first date and last date of the project. This is the first date, which is 7th January 2026. So copy this first date and paste it here. Then identify the last date, then copy this and paste it here. Now change these dates into number format by selecting, then go to the formatting option and take the number format. Now click on these x-axis values or the dates, then right click, click on format axis. Now here in the minimum and maximum bound, put these number value of the starting date and ending date, and when putting, subtract 5 days in the starting date and add 5 days in the ending date. So here in the minimum, put here 46024, which is the number value of the starting date. Similarly in the maximum, put 46055. By adding the 5 days, click on the minimum value box to refresh the data here. Now click on the starting date series, right click, then click on add data labels. Click on this fill and line option, expand the fill option, then take the no fill. Click on this ending date series, right click, click on add data labels. Again right click on this, then go to format data labels, scroll down and here in the label position, click on this inside base option. And here you can see the dates are given. These are the ending dates. These are the starting dates. Again right click on this series, go to format data series, click on this fill and line option, then take this no fill option. Click on the data label of the starting date, right click, click on format data labels, and here in the label position, select this inside end option. Now right click on the days required series, then click on add data labels. Here in the series option, you can decrease this gap width to increase the height of the series. Click on this number of days values, then increase the font size from here. Now to display these task names here in the chart, click on this y-axis value, right click, then click on select data, click on this edit button, and here in the axis level range, select this task name range, then click on OK. Click on OK, and here you see the task names are given. If you want to add here a background color in the chart, then click on the chart, then go to this fill option, click on this gradient fill, Here you see the background fill color is applied. If you want to change the color, you can go to these options like solid fill, gradient fill, picture or texture fill. You can fill the background from these options. Let's close this chart area box. Then to add here the title in the chart, click on this plus button. Then click on chart title. And here you can add the chart title. Let me put here project ABC details. If you want to add the y-axis and x-axis title, then you can again go to this plus button. Then click on the axis titles. Here in the x-axis title, put here dates. And in the y-axis title, put here task. So this is all about creating Gantt chart in Excel to visualize the project details. If you want to practice this, you can download this workbook from the link in the video description section. Thank you very much for watching. See you again in next tutorial.